I am so excited to see you again. Today we are doing a latte makeup look. I have my espresso shot here though. I'm not a latte girl, but I love the latte makeup look. Because have you seen this? It's just so pretty. I feel like this is what we need to recreate today. This will be my inspo picture. So very sheer, I would say glowy, and I feel like it's just so perfect for that spring transition to summer. This is the main focus I'm doing on my videos. As you can see, I'm doing a lot of makeup videos right now, so I'm doing a lot of transitions. So you could try a lot of mini looks from spring to summer, and I'm so excited to show you how I tried this one out. Today, I am starting off with base makeup done already. I have my foundation done, which is the Giorgio Armani one, my all-time favorite one, and I also added in concealer. Usually when it comes to latte makeup, as you can see here, they have like bushy, I would say soapy brows. I don't have bushy or soapy brows. I do have pretty full of a brow, so what I did is just fill them in and I added in brow gel to give that laminated look. I also did my lips with L'Oreal, I think L'Oreal like lipstick, which is more on the sheer side. It's more of a pinkish tone. I will be adding the shade in the picture here. I would say this is one of my spring colors into when it comes to lipsticks, because it's more of like that pale pinkish color, which is beautiful, and I feel like it really matches the vibe of vanilla, I would say latte makeup look, and I added it in. But a disclaimer, I did recently do my lips, so it does kind of look purple. It's still a little bruised and I'm still pretty swelled up. If you do notice a discoloration, I'm sorry. I'm still healing from it, but I've actually did my lips for the first time. I did not film it, but I just wanted to experience it privately, and I actually love it a lot. I feel a lot more confident right now. I did have a lot of lip imbalance, so this just makes me feel really good. Today, I will be focusing more on the eye makeup look, maybe the cheek placement of the blush and the rest of the makeup, not focusing on the base because we do know we have different bases. So whatever gives you that more of a hydration and I would say less of a matted look, try that, and then we'll be right here. Okay, so once you have your base ready, which is mine, I use the Giorgio Armani, which is a less of a coverage foundation. It's more of like a sheer foundation. So as you can see here, I have a lot of glow, which I love the most. And I will be going in for my eyes before I do any of the blush placements, just in case. I do have a mirror here, so I will be looking down a lot if you do notice that. I'm so sorry. I will be also grabbing a lot of makeup, which is on the side here as well. So if I'm looking away, this is what I'm doing. I'm just looking around for the makeup that I'll be using. So as we could see for our reference photo, face is a lot more glowier. I do see a little freckles. Her lips are like pale pink, which is, I noticed, is on a lot of the girls that do latte makeup look. So what I got from it, it's a lot more subtle, which is really perfect for spring. So when it comes to the eyeshadow, they use more of like the pale beige tones, nudes. I will not be adding any eyeliner because I feel like for this aesthetic it's going to be too much. So I'm starting off with the eyeshadow. I will be using Dominique. I had this eyeshadow palette for so long. I think I got it, I don't know, maybe I got it from Ipsy. I don't remember purchasing this. Maybe I got it as a gift, but I had it for a very long time and it doesn't look like I've been using it, guys. Like possibly I've been using the Eternal here, which is a beautiful, it's just such a beautiful color. Well, it's not a color, it's just literally glitter. Like I don't even want to touch it because it's gonna be glitter. I'll be using the Corazon. It's a very beautiful shade. It's like that pinky pale that I'm looking for. Okay, perfect. That will be done. And also I will be using the shade on top here. This is more of like a highlight shade. So I will be using it on the inner corners here. And I'm thinking maybe not. I will be using this color. It's called Warm Hearted. Maybe on the outer corner as well, but I'll think about that. So I'm starting off with this one. It's pretty pigmented. I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid. It's very pigmented. Let me just blend it away. I don't know. I think it's pretty, but it was pretty pigmented at first, which I did not really like, but I think it's pretty. Okay, I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'll have some creasing. Okay, that is done. I feel like it's really pretty. I do see a lot of latte makeup artists add in some of the eyeshadow on the, I would say, the lower lid, but I don't want to know if I want to add it. I'll just do a little bit. I will do the same shade, very, very tiny. I'm gonna pinch the brush and then just, I would say, go like very so lightly, just like that, just to give more depth into the eye. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think it's better than this one, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm sorry guys, I'm kind of limited on the brushes that I had, but I'm just so excited to recreate this makeup look. Okay, that's pretty. I don't mind it at all. I feel like this is a perfect, that latte placement, like the perfect latte color, I would say. I don't know, I like it a lot. All right, now I don't want to add the other shade just yet. Let me just try it on my hand. Maybe just a little bit. Let me see. Like a little bit. Like a little bit. Like a little bit. I don't know, maybe I do like it. Okay, let me just add a little bit. Okay, I guess I don't mind it. I'm gonna fix it up a little with concealer, like with my beauty blender, but I think it's good. I think it's good. Let me just bring it out here a little to elongate my face. Oh no, I forgot my hair clip. Let me get that done really quickly because I don't want to lose volume. Whenever I put my hair away from face, like behind my ear, it always gets flattened and I don't want it to be flat. I'm gonna give it a little volume here, like that. So I'll be adding Love and Light, just placing it slightly on the inner corners. So yeah, it does waking up the face just a little bit. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use the same highlight color right here, and I will add it right in the inner corner. This way I'll just have a more of like the awakened look. And I'll be bringing it down into my lower lid, as so. Do you guys see the difference? All right, now I want to move on into putting on some eyelashes. I'm not gonna add eyelashes, but I'm going to be adding mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes just one more time. Okay, so I'll be using my favorite Lash Paradise L'Oreal by L'Oreal. I'm just gonna add in the base primer. It feels like it's getting dry. I don't know why. I recently bought it. I think I want to move on into my sheer, the Fluid Sheer Glow Enhancer. This will be a perfect addition into that latte vanilla-like makeup look. It has a little bit of a pinkish tint, which I like. This will be a little bit of like, I would say, a blush color. Do you see that glow already? Oh no, so cute. Okay, I think the eyelashes are already dry. I'm going to use my tubing mascara. Okay, that's perfect, I think. I just want to add in blush now, and I think this will be like finishing touches of that latte makeup look. All right, today I will be using a Glam contour bronzing cream color. This one is called Soft Tan. I will just be using it near the apples of my cheeks right here, because when it comes to latte makeup, you don't do very like structured contour, you just do very lightly. It's very glowy, very sheer makeup. Just have to be really careful on what you're using. Okay, blend that all in. I'm going to do upward direction here just so that it gives me more of like a lifted face. And just a few last steps on the contour. I just want to dab everything with my beauty blender. I love this already. I'm not really a big fan of eyeshadows, and I don't know, this looks cute. Okay, now I'm going on to a bronzing palette. This one is by Glorient. It's a makeup palette which has these nice tints and I like them a lot. I'm gonna use this one in the middle just to be like a bronzer slash highlight slash blush. I'm just gonna dab it in around the contour and do the same on the other side. I will be adding just a little bit of blush as well. Now I'll be using a smaller shadow brush and I will do some highlight with this as well, just on the tip of my nose right here. And then I will do a bridge of my nose as well and bring in some on here just to highlight my cheekbones as well. I think this is already looking so glowy and so good. I love it. I'm just gonna do some finished touches with my Rare Beauty. I think it's called Cheer. I keep saying Sheer, but this is Cheer. And I will be using just a little bit, dabbing it on my hand, and then placing it. It's so pigmented. I know I don't want to add too much. I'm just gonna... I think I added too much. Let me just go over with my beauty blender just a little bit. Just a quick tip, it's to blend out the bottom, the blush, and just a beauty blender. Just a quick trick. This way the lines are not going to look too harsh. Just gonna be a little more blended. Okay, you guys, I'm officially almost done. I will be using my Rose NYX pencil. This will just give a little bit of more of like that rosy tint to my lips. I am going to add just a little bit of gloss. Okay, now it's time to put my hair down. Okay, you guys, this is finally my take on the latte viral makeup look. I was so excited to try this out, first of all, because it's very cute. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm having that really nice glowy base. My eyes are more of like the brown reddish, I would say pale tones. And I'm very, very hydrated, looking very rosy, and my lips are pink. But just a disclaimer, I already told you my lips are not gonna look too pale pink. But I feel like I did a really good job on recreating this look. If you are going to recreate it, don't forget to let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions, maybe I forget to mention any shade or makeup that I've used, let me know down below. I'll answer you right away. My Instagram handle is right here. I'm posting daily makeup tricks. If you are into that, please give me a follow. I will see you on my next video. This was a short video, but I think you loved it. Have a good one, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!